Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to XCMG Hoisting Machinery Product Release Conference. My name is Tracy. I'm very glad you could join us today. This is a family portrait of XCMG Hoisting Machinery Division. We produce truck cranes, all-terrain cranes, rough terrain cranes, crawler cranes, and tower cranes. That is to say, we produce a complete set of hoisting machinery. After 77 years development, XCMG Hoisting Machinery Division has made great achievements and received good reputation in domestic and overseas markets. In China's vast territory of 9.6 million square kilometers, XCMG kiloton cranes pass various tests. For example, the anechoic room and comprehensive test field. XCMG kiloton cranes played an important role in China's infrastructure construction. This year, the total sales number of kiloton cranes is forecasted to be 30 units. 50 units orders will make deals in the near future. We are positioning to be a global trustworthy construction equipment, solutions, and services provider. As you can see from the video, the 4,000 tons crawler crane XCA60 was exported to Saudi Arabia and Oman. You can see from the picture, this is Saudi Arabia. And this is Oman. Recently, the third XCA60 was delivered to PetroChina. Its first delivery happened 7 years ago and has been recognized as the world's largest crawler crane ever since. These cases can prove the kiloton crane's high performance and adaptability in various working conditions. They are now serving in the fields of energy industry and chemical industry. In 2019, XCMG was ranked number 2 of the world's crane manufacturer. Yesterday, I have got a big news. Now, XCMG is ranked number 1. That is to say, we are the champion now. XCMG owns a splendid history and will definitely have a brighter future. So, let's watch the light show of XCMG new generation cranes to have a more intuitive picture of the bright future. I have got some huge announcement for you today. Now, let's get started with the All Terrain Crane new products. Here's something that only XCMG can do, XCA60E, the first two-axle 40 tons All Terrain Crane in China. It is designed according to the European standards. New four-section single-cylinder pinning system is applied on the main boom. The full boom length is 35 meters to make sure 5 to 10% higher lifting capacity than competitors. The compact length of XCA40E ensures high adaptability. The compact length of XCA40E ensures high adaptability in various working conditions. Its length is not more than 12 meters, and its width is 2.55 meters. For the Middle East market, we launched the assembly of XCA40E, which is named as XCA40M. Its minimum turning diameter is 9.8 meters. XCA40M is equipped with strong driving system to achieve high passing ability. Its maximum speed is 80 kilometers per hour. One of the highlights of XCA40M is a hoisting while traveling working condition. It can hoist 5 tons loads and transfer swiftly. So why does XCMG launch the regional models? Yes, the demand from customers. For example, the 60 tons truck cranes, there are 3 new models, XCT55S, XCT60Y, and XCT60M. XCT55S, which is designed for the Central Asia market, owns high adaptability in the low temperature environment. XCT60Y can work smoothly in the high-temperature raining environment, which is adaptable for the Southeast Asia market. XCT60M for the Middle East market shows outstanding dust-proof performance in high-temperature environment. I am so excited to introduce the newest addition to the rough terrain crane family, XCR90. It has 3 main advantages: supreme lifting capacity, green and economic, advanced and intelligent. Therefore, XCR90 is the most economical rough terrain crane with the highest lifting capacity. We know you are going to love it. The main boom of XCR90 is 5 sections and 48 meters long. Multiple advanced technologies are applied to realize the highest lifting capacity and work efficiency in the industry. To tell you more about XCR90, 200 and 400 tons all-terrain crane, let's get over to my colleague Liz.
Hi dear friends, how's it going? It's Liz. Welcome to our testing ground in JUAL, the biggest one in China. To guarantee our crane's quality, every crane will be tested here. And today I will make a brief introduction of our new products. And you see behind me, we have 5 big guys. 4 units of all-terrain crane, XCA200, 230, 260, and 460, and 1 unit of rough terrain crane, XCR90M. What are you waiting for? Please join me and take a look. XCMG uses simple lines to create the outstanding appearance. As you marked, we have the exclusive sign of the honeycomb, which is marked on every crane of XCMG. It is a new look of the XCMG G1 crane. And behind me, it is a rough terrain crane, XCR90M. XCMG launches 6 different types of the regional models. M is one of the 6. M means Middle East. It's special for the many customers. And it could work in different temperature from minus 30 degree to 60 degree and on an altitude of 3,000 meter. We have the compact structure and the flexible operation. It's the most important character is a cross-country tire with all-wheel driving. It can be adapted for all kind of the field. Also, we have 4 different steering mode: the rear axle, front axle, crab steering, and also the small radius. The minimum radius of steering can be 6.5 meters, which is the shortest in the industry. And it has also 3 kind of the mode of telescoping, which will bring the freedom for the driver. Here is some information for our rough terrain crane, and then we will have a look at our all-terrain crane. Next, we come to all-terrain crane. Behind me, it's XCA200. I like to divide the crane into 2 parts, the superstructure and also the chassis. We will begin with the chassis part first. So, next, please follow me. Let's discover in the chassis cabin. Now I get into the chassis cabin of the XCA200. It's an AC cabin, which means we have air conditioning and also the heat. And my seat, I feel quite comfortable. It's big, the zone is big, and I can adjust it by myself. And beside me, we have a passenger seat. It's a double passenger seat, which means you could also sleep on it. And you could have a look at the sign in front of me. It's a panorama view, and I feel I can see everything in front of me. And you see, we have also some curtain to prevent the daylight. It's quite practical for the driver. And the buttons, 2 screens, and also the joystick. It's a perfect human-machine interaction. Anyway, I would like to say I like it. After the short visit in the chassis cabin in XCA200, now we come to XCA230 and we continue the chassis part. For this crane, we will take this crane as an example. As you see, we have 5 axles, all for steering, and the technology of the electrical hydraulic proportional steering system helps in the control of different mode of the steering. And according to the different road, we could also realize the free switch between the 3-axle driving and 4-axle driving, which would be fuel saving and fuel efficient. And also attention for your safety. The most important thing is safety, and our crane have the axle load monitoring system and also the integrated braking system just ensure the safety in your work. And also we have suspension. Independent suspension is the character of the all-terrain crane. It can adjust the height of the tire to make the crane get across of all kind of the road. This would be very convenient. After the chassis part, we come to the superstructure. And I will take the XCA260 as an example. This crane is equipped with a self-removable counterweight and super lift. We can also realize the transfer between 2 drop sites with a heavy load. It's quite convenient for you when you want to transfer between the 2 drop sites, but it should be the short distance. And also, I want to say this guy is quite a smart guy. Why? Because it has an intelligent program which could plan automatically for you the work condition. You have no need to plan by yourself. You just select on the screen. That will be easier. And at last, if you want to do some maintenance work in the night, we also have the intelligent lamp, which could be much convenient and easier for you. Finally, our superstar XCA416, it combines all the advantages of the all-terrain crane of 200 tons. And it has also other interesting points. I'd like to share 3 points with you. First, it has 2 different states, one of which is the weight of it could be 55 tons, which means it could be licensed. When we work with it in the maintenance of the wind power equipment, it could reach the height of 90 meters. That means 10 meters higher than competitor. He is the best one in the industry. And last, it could also do multi-mode transfer between 2 drop sites. That means it will carry all the booms, super lift, and part of counterweight. That's quite convenient for you, for all the users with such a big guy. That's all for our introduction today. I hope that my presentation will give you more idea for our new products. But we have the timing limit, so more information are waiting for you, dear friend, to discover. Okay, see you, ciao.
Next, the crawler crane XCA60A. It is called wind power giant with excellent performance and large lifting loads. One of the highlights of XCA60A is the intelligent strengthened counterweight technology. The overall performance is enhanced by 15% and the assembly efficiency improved by 40%. The new Dominator XCC200A integrates the industry's highest performance, the most complete working conditions, the most economic transportation in one. It has complete self-assembly and dismantling function. The only one can be transported by 1.2 trailer in the industry, so it is very convenient for customers. This slide introduces a hoisting special force, XCA60. It is a telescopic crawler crane, a combination of the telescopic boom and the crawler chassis. The main advantage of XCA60 is flexibility and adaptability. Multiple technologies can be utilized to cope with low and short working conditions. Our star in the new generation tower crane is XCT600E. Its outstanding performance contributes to 3 advanced technologies: high-strength cold-form steel, warm speed control technology, and AMCS intelligent management system. The high-strength cold-form steel makes the structure lighter, but along with higher safety level. The warm speed control technology meets the precision requirements of prefabricated buildings. The AMCS intelligent management system gathers 8 core applications to comprehensively improve the efficiency. A Layman New City project is the most important construction project in the northern part of Egypt. The Arabian contractor chose XCMG without hesitation. XCT6515 is a main hoisting force for 3 160-meter buildings. These tower cranes show outstanding performance and receive so much praise from customers. Now I have introduced all the new products. What's your impression of these cranes? One more thing I want to point out. So far, we have exported our products to more than 100 countries and regions. Now I will give you some examples. XCA60 was exported to Morocco and undertook the hoisting for railway stations. As you can see from the picture, several truck cranes are working in the construction site of Dubai Tower and Qatar's World Cup stadiums. XCMG mobile cranes are also exported to the high-end markets, such as Germany and the USA. XCMG large tonnage cranes are very popular in the fields of chemical and wind power industry. These application cases are good proofs for the outstanding performance and popularity of XCMG large tonnage cranes. At XCMG, we adhere to the golden standard of leading technology, everlasting products. We will follow this guidance and put customers at the center of everything we do. We are proud of the amazing teams who design the newest generation hoisting machinery products, and we would like to express our sincere thanks for your support and trust. Have a nice day.